Alright, you ready? You gotta get in close. Snuggle up. Okay, Boats on the Mississippi by Ryan Murphy. The cargo ship makes deliveries around the world. The tugboat is small but strong. The Coast Guard keeps boats safe. The cruise ship takes people on vacation.
Gammy goes on that.
Yeah, Gammy goes on a cruise ship.
This is where we live, Dada.
Yeah, we live over here. How do you know?
It is flat.
Yeah, what else do you see when we take a walk?
Trees.
Trees, yeah.
Trees.
What else do you see? Do you see this?
Alligator.
Yeah. Do you ride on this boat?
Yeah.
Do you know what it's called?
You have to carry torture on the ferry.
That's right.
Because he's scared.
Yeah, he doesn't like it. No. The ferry brings people across the river. The steamboat gives the best views of the city. The Navy brings sailors to the city. The shrimp boat catches a tasty meal. You like shrimp?
That's torture. That's it.
Yeah, there we are together in the sea. The sailboat is pushed by the wind. Alright, what boats do you know?
Yeah, this one.
What's that boat called?
I don't know.
It's called the tugboat. I bet you know that boat.
Paddle.
Yeah, it's a paddle wheel or steamboat. What's this boat?
I don't know.
It's the one Gammy goes on.
Yeah.
It's the cruise.
Cool.
Cruise ship. What about this boat?
Shrimp boat.
Good. Tasty, tasty shrimps. You ride on that boat. What's it called?
This is the door.
Yeah, it's the door to the ferry. What type of boat's that? That's the sailboat.
That's the sailboat.
This one's the Navy. That's the Coast Guard. And that's the cargo ship, the big boats. The end.
The video's all done.
Yeah, the video's all done. Did you like that book?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Thank you. Good job, Lulu.